guys, welcome to Longwang. This is Lyra and Ms.Du, our quality manager. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to measure product hardness. Ms.Du will help to operate. Hope you learned something from this video. Keep watching. Hardness is the ability of a material to resist being pressed into its surface by something harder. According to the different test methods and adaptation ranges, hardness units can be divided into HRC, HV, HS, BHN. There is a certain relationship between material hardness and strength. Harder materials usually have higher strength and elastic modulus, as well as better tensile strength and toughness. The hardness of different steels varies greatly. For example, carbon steel is generally lower in hardness. Alloy steel is higher in hardness, and stainless steel is also higher in hardness while having good corrosion resistance and aesthetics. Okay, after prolix and professional explanation, let's get to the point today: how to measure the hardness of a product. Let me still help to operate. First of all, we need to have parts waiting for testing. Okay, no kidding, let's get to start. After placing the workpiece, we first adjust the test force. Then slowly fine-tune, while using your eyes to observe the change in focal length inside the display. When the focus becomes clear, it means that we are very close to finding the focal length. Once you have found the focal length, click Start directly. In this process, we let the machine automatically load and unload without manual operation. When the indentation is complete, a clear indentation with a diamond shape can be seen. We know that the principle of micro-hardness tester is mainly through the indentation area to calculate the hardness value. So we only need to collect the diagonal of the diamond, and then directly calculate its area through the system, so that we get its hardness value. Here are Lyra and Ms.Du. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.